Wanna say peace and love back on the other side, right? Massive them will live again and a Saturday entertainment this, you know. Let me turn the mic down a little piece. I swear to go on, yes? Yeah, hear me nice and good, nice and Chris, we're there, man, we're there. We're gonna fling this one. We're gonna start off with the big man himself. Yeah, hear me. We're gonna start off with the big man himself. People, the moment for launch this, one is from the T.O.P. King Tidal himself. Michelle, wanna big up Messiah.
Waterproof sound. The time has come.
Love to lady, time ladies on a big up. Time machine massive.
Aim to kill a sound boy. It on.
Lady Maddox Sabrina, big up.
In the clash, the clash.
I'll tell you lady, we're waiting for the video.
Oh,
Red Eye EP is out there massive.
Oh, every precious moment that I spent killing a son boy in this clash, so don't be sad, don't be blue. You've got a son boy, be killed, be true. Waterproof some kill them. Love was here, now it's gone. Now it's time to keep moving on. No, don't take it personal. Waterproof will kill your sound. Someone
King Tidal, the head honcho bass planet.
Take it personal. Jamaican English, you're the best. Good things come to an end. Yeah,
me tell you no.
Time has come in a selector line.
Hey, listen, me more handsomer than David Rodigan. What?
What? Plates. Listen, the boy them fig one a school. Them jump on canna and a shine up tool. Shirt out a pants and a screw up face. With them tight up and stay below them waist. Jamaican English, the boy want intimidate. Then the type of waist boy they we cannot reach. A fear badness, them a instigate. That's when them end up through Central Gate. Claim say them a bad man fi ooh. Claim say them a rude boy fi
King Tidal.
Claim say them a bad man fi ooh.
Come in and rock and come in.
A rude boy fi you, yeah. Them hiding a dance with people dub. And as them see a jeep, them are the first to run. When them see Jamaican English as a champion, them a walk with the racing in a hand. Yo, next time you see them a check you for your thing. They tell them say no, them start the praying. Anything we have me are the first on the list. Cause them claim say a this, say this. Claim say them a bad man fi ooh. Claim say them a rude boy for you.
Waterproof sound, my God, been killing sounds long time. Growing stronger every day now. Feel so good and there is no doubt. Waterproof are the champion sound.
And a mercy.
Each morning brings a sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On waterproof you can rely. Waterproof, I go kill your sound. Waterproof, I go murder your sound. Make off your head crown. Waterproof, I go murder your sound.
Silky smooth.
I come around when the dark clouds arrive. Jamaica English never leave your side. I know that it be alright. Waterproof are the #1 sound. There be heartaches and pain, sound boy, but through it all, waterproof will remain. Well, in this clash, we all know champions come, champions go, but through the years I know waterproof are the ruling sound. in the end you'll find a sound so beautiful and divine. We murder sounds for a lifetime. Waterproof, I go kill your sound, your sound, your sound, your sound.
Run things. DJ Jamaican English, kill them with the sound boy now. Tell them this, hey, put on the pressure, we just sing on the heat. They never know English.
At Instagram massive, anyway, you're looking Saturday, right?
On the heat, don't test we will make you moan and weep. Put on the pressure, we just sing on the heat. Jamaican English is your place.
And the big man himself, Satellite.
Just sing on.
Original man, when you listen up.
Yes, we will.
Waterproof.
Put on the pressure, we just sing on the heat. Jamaican English is your place, man. Put on the pressure, we just sing on the heat. Don't test we sound boy, we will make you moan and weep now. Make you moan and weep now. We please the people in every way we can. So don't try to test, you will get thrown down. We don't joke, we are
the joke thing, you know.
So don't
Satellite.
You will burn your skin. Put on the pressure, we just swing on the heat. You never know English in places where. Put on the pressure, we just swing on the heat. DJ Jamaican English, you kill them now. Jamaican English, kill them now, now. DJ English Jamaican, you kill them jump and sound. DJ Jamaican English, I know you come to beat and kill a little bitty sound. Put on the pressure, swing on the heat. They never know my sound, the places way. Put on the pressure, we just swing on the heat. Jamaican DJ English, to kill them.
5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy.
We got DJ Peppy Easy now.
15, 20.
We got Mr. Garfield Treasure.
Sound I go dead.
Wanna listen to Silly Kitty around here.
Waterproof, I kill
Pam Pam.
easy. Once upon a time, someone lost their mind. Try test the waterproof. Waterproof, yes. Can English kill them? Oh well, hey, them hoping every day to play like waterproof. Jamaican English kill them. English you kill. 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Say 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30.
And the big man Silly Kitty, the boss.
Waterproof.
We got Garfield Revelation Treasure Easy now.
Once upon a time.
At the Base Planet Massive Bite Radio.
The mind, try test the waterproof.
Anyway, you're lucky we do it different, right?
The waterproof, yes. Jamaican English kill them. Well, hey, them hoping every day to play like waterproof. Jamaican English kill them. English you kill them.
Oh Lord.
That's murder.
Bossa Blank.
On.
If you're not cutting a Silly Kitty, people, them, you don't get them style. Style them can't spoil, style them wicked round here.
Murder, 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 day.
Easy run over, see you, Mr. Brush.
La di da di da, la di da di da.
Lady Lid, big up.
Where them far, where them a do ya? Jamaican English a crowd pleaser. Where them far, where them a do ya? Sound boy, you should cross the border. True a ragamuffin, we no afraid of them sound. Boy, we no like, we no keep them friend. True a ragamuffin, we no afraid of them sound. Boy, we no like, we a go bury them. Coming at the dance, jukes and a cool sound. Boy, come down, them no know the rule. Coming at the dance. dubz, jukes and a cool sound. Boy come out, them a act like a fool. Fire they a must say you tank a cold breeze sound. Boy you fi second sound, boy you fi seize. Fire they a must tell you tank a cold breeze sound. Boy you fi seize. Lati tati lati tati tati. Jamaican English. Lati tati lati tati tati. Murder murder tati tati. Lati tati tati. Kill them sound. Shillele bum bum bididi bum bum bilele bum bum.
I'll take big man locked on easy now.
Where them a do ya? Jamaican English.
We're back.
Please where them far? Where them a do ya? Jamaican English him run bout ya.
Aye. English you know yes you bad. Waterproof sound you know yes very bad.
Turn up the heat, reggae.
Jamaican English you know say you bad.
Anyway, there's Saturday, yes.
Waterproof sound yes you know say very bad. We not care. Sound boy get murdered this year. We not care. Sound I got dead this year. We not care. English murder them this.
We got Lady Debbie Lewis.
Approve murder them.
We got Scalara.
No sound test. We have no.
We got Big Man.
Yes, waterproof brush them this year.
Mr. Brush.
It's Jamaican English. Yes, we not care. Murder them sound there.
Ragazzi.
Waterproof sound. Yes, we bad. Jamaican English, we bad. Waterproof sound, yes, we bad. Jamaican English, you know, say yes, we bad. Get that coffin, get that breathe. English, put them motherfucker, just
hey.
Get that coffin, get that
Pam.
Yes, we'll leave on 9.
We got Ragazzi, Miami Massive.
Got me bunks right back. I'm a hard boy for that. English hard boy for that.
Listen again.
Them liquid down, them pick me up. Me bunks right back. Waterproof. Tell them we not easy for that. No way.
Yeah, man, we got Scalara easy.
Bad, yes, we bad, yes, we bad, yes, we bad. Jamaican English, you know, say we bad, say we bad, say we bad, say we bad.
All right. Honorary Massive.
Give it away, daddy, yo. You know the Zokai full of metaphors and similar. I big up the man them called DJ Jamaican English. Waterproof sound or the big bad sound. Some boy now say them disrespecting and the moon and water them I go drown. Give it away, daddy, yo. Shibbly. Hawkeye full of metaphors and similar. Get in the wicked medley of all medley, wicked and deadly. Give it away, daddy, yo. DJ Jamaican English, who them a ramp with? Who them a ramp with? You see English? Him no take man, him no visit, nor check man, no position, nor set man. Gamble or bet man, him no pump nor pet man, him no dry nor wet man. Vote nor elect man, him no choose nor select no man. If he's a true man, you never yet screw man. He's not a freaky human, me want to see the two hand. Help me slew man, we diggy do man. Jamaican English.
My head wanted on all poster. Jamaican English wanted for too much dub. People will have to carry dub like suitcase. But me in a bad mind suitcase stage 4. Me on stage 10. Yeah, yeah, me plenty of friend. Big up the girlfriend. Them say English. You're more handsome than David Rodigan. That's what them said to me in the dance.
Skip it away, daddy, yo. You know the Zoka.
Skip it.
Metaphors and similar. Me big up the man them called the
original Hawkeye, you know.
English.
Only waterproof sound.
Oh no, say them disrespecting the moon and water, them I go drown. Skibble daddy, yo. Shibbly. Hawkeye full of metaphors and similar. Get in the wicked medley of all medley, wicked and deadly. Skibble daddy, yo. DJ Jamaican English, who them a ramp with? Who them a ramp with? You see English? Him no take man, him no visit, nor check man, no position, nor set man. Gamble or bet man, him no pump nor pet man. Skip it away, daddy, yo. You know the Zok.
Yo, people them.
And similar, me big up the man them called DJ
Buckanberry.
English. Waterproof sound or the big bad sound.
One love sound, me see ya.
Moon and water, them I go.
Every time, my brother.
Daddy, yo. Shibble.
Debbie Lewis fire.
Kai full of metaphors and similar. Get in the wicked medley of all medley, wicked and deadly. Skip it away, daddy, yo. Jamaican English. Who them a ramp with? Who them a ramp with? You see English? Him no take man, him no visit, nor check man, no position, nor set man. Gamble or bet man, him no pump nor pet man, him no dry nor wet man. Vote nor elect man, him no choose nor select no man. If he's a true man, you never yet screw man. He's not a freaky human, me want to see the two hand. Help me slew man, we diggy do man. Jamaican English lotion woman. So just push up the hand, them in the ear, you never touch a man. We no kiss, we no caress, and we no wappy man. We only wappy share.
People, them Hawkeye, Jamaican English.
Skip it away, daddy, yo. You know the Zokai full of metaphors and similar. I big up the man them called DJ Jamaican English. Waterproof sound of the big bad sound. Some boy no say them disrespecting the moon. Water them a go drown. Skip it away, daddy, yo. Shibble. Hawkeye full of metaphors and similar. Get them the wicked medley of all medley, wicked and deadly. Skip it away, daddy, yo. DJ Jamaican English. Who them a ramp with? Who them a ramp with? You see English? Him no take man, him no visit, nor check man, no position, nor set man. Gamble or bet man, him no pump nor pet man, him no dry nor wet man. Vote nor elect man, him no choose nor select no man. If he's a true man, you never yet screw man. He's not a freaky human, me want to see the two hand. Help me slew man, we diggy do man. Jamaican English lotion woman. So just push up the hand, them in the ear, you never touch a man. We no kiss, we no caress, and we no wappy man. We only wappy Sharon and wappy pam. I know that, you know, let me tell you this. Love waterproof up in the ear, can figure. Pure big tune, we're dropping a dance, you know. When we come a dance, it's like a fashion show. So help me sing, E-I-E-I-O. The girl them love Jamaican English flow. And them vibe sweet like the fat stamina. Girl from you know your shoes, not squeeze a toe. Just help me sing Jamaican English. Pam pam. Them fi chat up in your face and them a hoo-ha. Every day them just up in the same hoo-ha. From you say them here say she no wash out.
Bless up Debbie, big up Mr. Brush.
Ha ha hoo-ha. Oh, them fi chat up in your face and them a hoo-ha. Every day them just up in the same hoo-ha. From you see them here say she no wash her hoo.
When I say Silky D, the captain.
And English, let me tell you. Them say them a shut aside English and take fences. Them scared when they made the siren the ambulances. Big up all original gangster, no enses. Waterproof.
Me can't breathe.
With instances. Keep clocking them, watching them through my lenses. Tallying out some punks who we do not keep friends with. It is Jamaican English and the waterproof. Now this we are go tell some clown. Just
People, you have to strap in when you're listening to Jamaican English. I'm not going to the fun fair. You're going to have a ride. People, them, I don't want your money. You hear me? I just want dub. I want bus for the people, them, and represent what me grow up on and what me listen on. The only mission I'm on is to show a little of how I've been brought up and where I've come from and the music that me listen to and the artists that me grew up on. Because I remember jamming to Hawkeye on the back of the bus like a madman. Yeah? So them time there is unreal right now. Yeah, you hear me, people, them. And there's so many artists them that touch my heart, so I have to give back. And I give back like so. Saying the only way I know best is my sound, waterproof sound. A 1 year old me I start this, 1 year old. So people them, don't worry, I'm fret. Pam pam.
Hey! If you know it's your girl Queen Kamala straight from out of Trenchtown, Jamaica, present the big bad waterproof sound. And I say, hey, Jamaican English. Them for know say you think fully up and you not take no bully up, you know. Hey, Jamaican English, it's Queen Kamala. I just gotta let you know, I love you. Jamaican English got the right vibes. They keep me going day and night. Nothing could feel much better than the kiss and caress and holding me tight. People keep saying that it don't be right, but them stick together and fought the fight. You're a true blessing in disguise. God must have sent you in my life. I sing, I, waterproof sound me love. Hey, if you know it's your girl Queen Kamala straight from out of Trenchtown, Jamaica, present the big bad waterproof sound. And I say, hey, Jamaican English. Them for know say you think fully up and you not take no bully up, you know.
Big up Lady Debbie, enough love to Debbie Lewis.
Hey, Jamaican English, it's Queen Kamala. I just gotta let you know, I love you.
Debbie, Lady Lewis, I've all the artists on our lineup. People, them get with the program.
They keep me going day and night. Nothing could feel much.
Love to Lady Debbie, pam pam.
The rest and holding me tight.
Don't worry, this gets recorded and goes straight to her YouTube page to help build my YouTube fans. Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, you hear me? I saw we set up the thing, them never know. Let's go.
Waterproofsound me love.
Right now we have to go to our next level. We have to take it to another dimension. Facebook, me done and bun that. Me run that.
Like a strong woman.
Me not care what them say.
You remember
pam pam.
I can be someone when I'm sad and lonely. Give me strength to overcome. Family and friends will fail me. English always there, holding me down. Him always reassure me. Nothing in this world can slow me down. Him said, I'm the queen from the city. Out of the garrison, they call Trenchtown. Remember the first time that you caught my eyes. The way that you play got me hypnotized. With your rude boy swag and your strong physique. Dub well,
Queen Kamala.
You sent she
right now she's blowing up everywhere. Let me tell you the name and then you're gonna hear it again. Queen Kamala.
My peak. You got the key to make me fall asleep. Deep inside you make me wanna.
All the things coming in the pipeline is big things. She's blowing up. And she always say English, me love you, you know. You're there from the barn.
You make me feel like a strong woman. You make me feel like I can be someone, be someone. Hey, a Queen Kamala is that the big bad one.
You know what's that English response to the girl them, though? You know, famous face there, live in living colors.
Live in living colors, famous face.
On the mixing board, y'all come spin out while we mixing board. The thing can choke man I make about that mixing board. Oh, the people them say English know the road, coat skin a road on the mixing board. Y'all come skin out while we mixing board. The thing can choke man I make about that mixing board. Oh, the people them say waterproof know the road code. Yo, y'all call me break place food. Them know say ya we base boss. Answer the phone, me say who him say a grace. We signal to them and say we not in the place to get that tip.
When them the Instagram I deal with ounces.
Imagine the right you never do nothing but girls. In a English eyesight from your nose saying you can go like a
famous face.
Want the vibes and it right, you not go drink that a red stripe light. But sexy girl in a English bed tonight. You better line up Pamela and Suzette and Joyce. Oh, them gyal are bad like Thursday night at the fight skin, the fight skin, the fight skin.
Jamaica English. You don't know in this time and age you have to be aware of your surroundings because mankind no. Easy. Easy. This is something like on the waterproof sound. Hear this. No, we cannot trust them. All when we bust them. No for them and sell out. Jamaica English. What's that? Any juggling you plan to do, don't let them have a clue. Cause then we come on your base with a smiling face and a plan to counteract you. Listen to all of the dubs you have. Never know say you're juggling so bad. They say them laugh and talk. Take time and walk with them friends.
Them laugh and talk. Some people they say to me, why you play so many dub play? Because me tell the people that's how my sound is programmed. Yeah, you hear me? And when I go to Clash, I will draw for official, special dub plates from the artists that I choose from. They will get some brews from. Yeah, you hear me? And I saw the thing them set up. We will have too many dub. We will flush them out. We will come like tsunami on a boy. Yeah, you hear me? And we will just cover them with dub. They won't know what them doing. Me I go rain on them with dub. Me not in a 45 minutes in this minute in that me in for dub ammunition. Yeah, you hear me? So if you don't like dub ammunition, I gotta do what you gotta do and you think about. This is Waterproof Sound. Milton Blake. Him say, no worry, I'm problem. Because English, me back here.
Jamaica English. You don't know in this time and age you have to be aware of your surroundings because mankind no. Easy.
They don't know my tricks. Me a magician, you know.
Hear this.
I'm full of magic.
Cannot trust them. All when we
easy, Dominic.
No for them and sell out. Jamaica English. What's that? Any juggling you plan to do, don't let them have a clue.
Kingdom Jones, yo, big up. Dominic, what you say? Lady Debbie, pam pam.
rock you. Listen to all of the dubs you have.
We got Bass, Planet Bite Radio.
Juggling so bad.
This is Milton Blake.
Take time and walk with them friend you them plan fi backstop. English, you can't trust them at all. I want to say, you can't trust them, they will make you fall. Waterproof, soundproof, you can't trust them, none of them are sell out. Big time sell out, them in Jamaica English. You can't trust them, they will get you out.
My head wanted on all poster.
Whichever way you put your feet, be careful with whom you are relate. Say if them tell you beat them at 10, be there from here, take time and circle the place. Cause in this time you got to be prepared. No make them know where you live, meet them somewhere. Cause enough of them with who you share. Believe me, I swear them are the leopards and the wolves out there. English, you can't trust them at all.
Do it, y'all.
You can't trust them, they will make you fall.
Lady Lebo and a big up love on her. Lady Debbie, fire.
Trust them, none of them are sell out. Big time sell out them enough. You can't trust them, they will get you out. You cannot trust them now. All when you bust them. Oh no, you cannot trust them now. None of them are sell out. Jamaica English. What?
Me say no sound can style way. For them a try mess with we side we don't know say them no like way. The one Paul and him friend Mikey Jamaica English, no boy can style way. See them a try mess with we side yeah, we don't know say them no like way.
Yeah, me switch it on them, watch the ride.
Yeah, cause so no boy round and not get no heel. Cause everything we try them want to see we feel. We play with big tune, them a talk about it.
I see 2021, Ricky the Lover, Turbulent Sound, Waterproof Sound. We will be linking, saying, I wanted the first sound that touched me. I wanted the first sound that showed me love. So, you know, we're going to be putting on some. We're going to link up next year for definite. Yo, Ricky the Lover and the full crew. And yo, Lady Debbie, and a big up all the massive as well. Waterproof Sound and Bass Planet as well. Next year, a lot is going to be popping off, man. I'm telling you. Big things is no stopping. I'm telling you. Waterproof Sound, Jamaican English. Man, coming for the world, you know. Me coming to tour the world, you know. People there, me coming to show some love in your town and your city. Me come to turn over your roadblock when I come into the place. You hear me? Me don't want to see ones and twos. Me want to see at least hundreds. You get me? Same way we're going to break it up on the ones and twos, but me want to see more than thousands and more than, huh? We're going to some stadium somewhere in New York and go break it up. You hear me?
Me say no sound can style way. For them a try mess with we psyche.
Turbulent Sound.
Don't know say them no like way.
One Love Sound anyway, them see ya.
Them friend my
Heart of Love as well.
a boy can style way. See them a try mess with we psyche. Yeah, we don't know say them no like way.
Right now, Ricky the Lover, listen.
And them friend Mikey. Yeah, cause so no boy round and not get no heel. Cause everything we try them want to see we feel. We play with big tune, them a time but it's still. But them can't stop we ship from sail. When we used to walk from Kingston to village, never have no milk but still boil with porridge. And everything we do, them a tap.
Ricky the Lover bad.
But thank God we will.
What about Lady Debbie Lewis?
Because no boy can style way. See them a try and mess with we psyche. Yeah, we don't know say them no like way. The one Paul and him friend Mikey English, me say no boy can style way. For them a try and mess with.
Remember, I've been trained by a champion sound.
Like way.
And you can go look it up in the Guinness Book of Records. Of original 4x4 Exodus sound.
Make your people name pan light stop. Everything when me do man the bugger them.
People them know your history, you know.
Me pass man and we them out.
If you're in a sound thing, check for your history. 4x4 Exodus.
Can't stop.
Them in the Guinness Book of Records for
Can't flap. Them say them
beat and teach too many sound.
that. Cause Almighty God
Father does anyway their way with done.
can't style way.
Little wicked speckles, all of them anyway them there.
Yeah, we don't see say them no like way.
Good God.
The one Paul and him friend Mikey Jamaica English, no boy can
There's a story behind me, it's full of glory.
mess with we psyche.
Lord, Lord, Lord. This is Colonel Campbell, and I'm very proud to introduce to you DJ Jamaican English. Me tell you about Waterproof Sound. Kick it.
What-ta-ta-ta.
Lord, Lord, Lord.
Walla Brixton, Stockwell, Lewisham.
So walk right in. Waterproof when kill you.
All of Vauxhall, London Bridge Massive.
I say you can get a beating.
All the Barking crew, Stratford.
Yes, walk right in. What?
Bromley Bible.
Lord, Lord, Lord. This is Ghana.
All of Hackney Stokey.
Proud to introduce to you DJ Jamaican English. Me tell about waterproof sound. Kick it.
All of Bethnal Green, right? Holloway Angel, Islington, Caledonian Road.
Walk right in. Waterproof when kill you. All pants on white.
What am I say again?
Say you can get a beat.
All the Edmonton, Tottenham.
Yes, walk right in.
Tufnell Park, Frisbee Park, Manor Park.
Kill you.
There is a fire.
Lord, Lord, Lord.
They ain't used to me on Instagram, you know.
And I'm very proud to introduce to you DJ Jamaican English. Me tell about waterproof sound. Kick it.
Well, them not used to me.
What?
Kind of Campbell will tell them.
Lord, Lord, Lord.
Original.
Waterproof. Me say you alive.
What's we level up the field?
So walk right in. Waterproof when kill you. All pants on white. I say you can get a beating. Yes, walk right in. Waterproof when kill you. All pants.
All of Birmingham, Manchester, Bristol, Cardiff, Yow, Reading, Luton, Oxford, Coventry.
Judge, I bless my eyes and waterproof sound. Number one sound. He was killing, he was murdering another sound. I said the first time. Judge, I bless my eyes and waterproof sound. Original sound. He was killing, he was murdering a jump and sound. In the morning, in the evening, in the nighttime too. Waterproof, I gonna mash you down tonight. I Colonel Campbell say so. What-a-da-da-da-da-da. So walk right in. Waterproof when kill you. All pants on white. Colonel say you gon' get a beating. Yes, walk right in. Make we kill you.
People that Colonel Original Campbell.
Why?
Ah, the massive them this easy. I think some of them are going for rap and have a spliff.
Morning.
And them say, Lord have mercy, them boy them too wicked.
In the nighttime too. Yeah.
This is the waterproof sound. Yeah, man, and your eyes are represent. Make the rhythm run, man, and have time for fun. Oh, yeah. Waterproof sound again, yeah. Are you ready now?
This one now.
Though the road may be rough, I know waterproof will find a way. You know the Gideon is tough, but waterproof will have things our way. Separation and salvation. Some sound never know what it takes to be a champion.
Saturday Massive, where you there?
We're in the right direction, and nothing good is that because we know what.
Because we're still on lockdown from this corona.
I know waterproof will find a way.
What am I saying? Your eyes.
Done is tough, but waterproof will have things our way. Though the road may be rough, I know waterproof.
He's a Ronald. Mr. Brush in the Instagram.
Will have
Wagwan.
Away. We'll have things away. Yes, I know, yeah.
Love to Lady Debbie.
Make the best of what you have. Try not to complain or it set you in a jam. Just remember,
I played a Silky Smooth right earlier.
About a big fan
on fire.
They watch the bling of the social media.
I mean,
the latest trends of the rumors that them bring. Just stay focused and you'll know where you stand. Waterproof has always got a plan, yeah. Though the road may be rough, I know waterproof will find a way. You know the Gideon is tough, but waterproof competition is tough, but waterproof will have things our way.
Got them through to the waterproof sound, but watch ya. Jamaican English, kick you like a banner for those that dance on. A murder reaction, Red Fox. Murder sound and put them in burial box. Show it off like a rocket, them can't stop it. I will plan to back it. Yo, Jingle King, you what them say? Them a fi rockin' a the waterproof swing. Them a fi rockin' a the waterproof swing. They party blockin' a the waterproof swing. Jamaican English a king. Not land a the place where we spark the flame. O2 Arena where we make we name. With some big heavy double put sound to shame. Brixton Academy, watch it show them rain. Dark Star Family, sound feel the pain. PSD Club here, yo we run the that Blue Mountain we rise to fame. When we step it in a leads, we'll leave a fancy game. Dub club, massive,
What no sound never did? Never play one tune one they never hear yet.
Let them throw to the waterproof sound, but watch out. Jamaican English, kick you like a banner for those that dance on. A murder reaction, Red Fox. Murder sound and put them in burial box. Show it off like a rocket, them can't stop it. I will plan to back it. Yo, Jingle King, you what tell them say? Them a fi rockin' a the waterproof swing. Them a fi rockin' a the waterproof swing. They party blockin' a the waterproof swing. Jamaican English a king. Not land a the place where we spark the flame. O2 Arena where we make we name. With some big heavy double put sound to shame. Brixton Academy, watch it show them rain. Dark Star Family, sound feel the pain. PSD Club here, yo we run the game. Bristol Blue Mountain we rise to fame. When we step it in a leads, we'll leave a fans game. Dub club massive them, yo them go insane. When the music hit them feel the pain. If a music cafe, well it's all the same. Let's stand massive them love the champion plane. Waterproof sound, yes I to the top we in. Jamaican English, definitely we can't tame. Yes, to the top again, yes. Boom, them a fi rockin' at the they party blocking at the waterproof swing.
Mr. Red Fox.
The waterproof swing. Jamaican English a king. What do you hear that? Them a fi rock away the waterproof swing. They party block away the water.
Again?
Inna the rock away.
Pam pam.
Well,
we got Mr. Garfield Treasure
King. Can select it.
On the Base Planet crew.
Fleck it. Don't give up. Well, if it last, so that get it. Set it. Yeah, because y'all shall regret it. Should have bring war. No, you cannot take it where you warrior. Well, the sound can't play away. Sound not got dead well, no if nor maybe. Who tell them sound you have to come for sake way? Hundreds of them where you wipe out daily. The trouble, nobody no fit come trouble way. See, they don't just lick on sound gone suddenly. Rock it up and bust it up. Make all of them say. Who tell them sound you have to come and come? They should have known stay a long time with deadly. Everything I did that it don't make sense your big way. How them fit this way? Watch how you address way. God never empty. Tell them this. Yes. They pan the black, this are the waterproof swing. Them a fi rockin' a the waterproof swing. They pan the black in a the waterproof. Well, Jamaican English a king. Tell them, they pan the black away the waterproof swing. Them a fi rock a.
Me want come bigger than MTV. You see my t-shirt.
Waterproof swing. Jamaican English a king.
Again.
Where you fit to serve, you must think a fish and burger like a bitch. Just say the word that make we picture like a bird. We make you dance like Tina Turner. The 4-5 a burn ya. Big like a gorilla, we will mince down to worms. No complex my nerves or the ego with dessert. Yeah, paint you up like virgin, decorate you up on your corridor. From New York down to Florida, Atayada, at America. And if for London, with a murder, boom. Them a ferret, this are the waterproof swing.
Hey yo, this is Bandulu representing for Waterproof Zone. Make them know so you can't drown or fall down. You are go wear the crown and them a go frown. Cause you are the modest in our town. Remember me, Bandulu said that Waterproof Zone. Them can't take you for clone. See it? Yeah.
Let's go.
Waterproof some man, so please give me some more. You make the guy them but I doesn't flip on the floor. Yes, got a something no song can't ignore. Waterproof on a fire, now retire. One bag of sound red try knock on your door. Waterproof sound are the one where I score. Every spot in a dance and you come fi explore. Waterproof sound fire, never tire. And them boy try test waterproof show the middle finger. Excitement cause the sound it a linger. Heart a beat fast like the one of a sprinter. Waterproof no boy can run with your thing, yeah. See them get frightened from them watch you through the window. Still some soul man brag them on Insta. Waterproof sound hotter than chincha. Long time we know say you are winner. Waterproof some man, so please give me some more. You make the guy them but I doesn't flip on the floor. Yes, got a something no.
I'll take Jack Lee.
Proof on a fire. Now return.
Pick up anywhere them master them Lok-i tuning.
On your door. Waterproof sound are the one.
Yeah, man, just come and express some Instagram love.
Flow waterproof sound.
Right.
You know when you want, so you push the thing for
Bandolo.
Yeah, enough of them so move like a yeah, them say you too out of order. Yeah, them whisper in your ear, say them what
am I saying?
Waterproof sound, you a spark of a fire. When me a listen, you may never get tired. Cause every move
mad
with something you waterproof. So mad that me is not a lie.
Yeah.
So mad, so please give me some more. You make the girl them bust out us flip on the floor.
Saturday entertainment.
No sound can ignore waterproof on a fire. Yeah, one back a sound red try knock on your door. Waterproof sound are the one where I score every spot in.
Yeah, man, Bite Radio, UK.com, base a planet as well.
Yeah.
It's on fire.
Yes, I am. DJ Jamaican English. But the whole of them know say a top girl is long time and two girl they have in a rotation. Run it, Waterproof sound a chest say. Oh yeah, Stacy, a desire, chest in the building. Na 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 na. Stacy and a Tessa, and them the girl English prefer. Him up them VD better, and them the girl English one. Stacy and a Tessa, and them the girl.
Right now, Ches in the building.
Him walk them V.
Waterproof sound when I easy.
The girl English man. The girls in love is rolling. They wanna go bowling. And that is right, them want go. Him escalating Prada. The girls they love his style. They say he's versatile. They all wanna have his.
What am I say, Ches?
You see English man.
Pum pum.
Stacy and a Desa. And them the girl we prefer. We walk them VD beta. And them the girl English one. Stacy and a Desa. And them the girl English prefer. Him walk them VD beta. And them the girl English one. Stacy called him this morning. She said her body's calling. Said she want the bump and grinding. Said she want it pan.
How you mean?
Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah, hear me nowadays. This I walk ya at the base. English him confess. Stacy and a Tessa. And them make y'all English prefer. Him walk them VD beta. And them make y'all English one.
Tell them again.
Stacy and a Tessa.
To the world.
They y'all English prefer. Him walk them VD beta. And them make y'all English one.
My selector, you hear me? Drop the sledgehammer, sing.
Oh yeah, waterproof in my dance. Oh yeah, waterproof are the number one song.
John niceness. Preciseness.
Test me, no, they can't test me. If you test me waterproof sound tonight, you're gonna be empty.
Listen again.
I said they can't test me, no, they can't test me. If you test me waterproof sound tonight, you're gonna be empty.
Hey, listen the version, listen it.
Waterproof, you are so strong. Yeah. Jamaican English, you are the number one.
Selector, you hear me? Drop the sledgehammer, sing.
Oh yeah, waterproof in my dance.
All over the world.
Oh yeah,
John Niceness.
number one song.
Mr. Brush, aka Ronald.
Long way.
Mad already, let's go.
Look it. Test me, no, they can't test me. If you test me waterproof sound tonight, you're gonna be empty. I said they can't test me, no, they can't test me. If you test me waterproof sound tonight, you're gonna be empty. Whoa, yeah. Waterproof, you are so strong, yeah. Jamaican English, you are the number one. Hey, sound
your guidance. DJ Jamaican English say, Jaja, guide over him. Protect him from his enemies. No make none of them trample.
Hey, listen to the version. Watch the ride.
Protect him on.
Chessman, go on.
Him on, Jaja, guide over English. Protect him from his enemies. No make none of them trample him. Protect him on, Jaja, protect him on. None of them wanna see Waterproof go down. By the looks on their faces, they greet them with a frown. Cheds no cool and English no clown. We standing on solid ground. English no bad mind, and me sure him no funny. Work hard for where him want and
pick up north, south, east and west.
Shana Asanya, and them alone be done it. No bad mind can't govern me.
Instagram.
Guide over English. Protect him from his enemy.
What am I say, Ches?
None of them trample him. Protect him out, protect him out.
Pick up on them as they showing the love.
Guide over English. Protect him from his enemies. No make none of them trample.
Remember Waterproof Sound Thursday live. Facebook and Byte Radio.
Big sound less than 1 year. Enough of them attack about life and fear. Him buy a red car, it's a red them eye. Why them want English it?
Che's a Waterproof Sound artist.
See but living life.
Silky D, a Waterproof Sound artist. Jigs the King.
Blood will lock him up and take where him like.
And many more on the camp list.
Waterproof Sound guide over English. Protect him from his enemies. No make none of them trample him. Protect him out, protect him out, protect him out.
Well, here comes another musical disc from the flick of my wrist. It's Steve Tuller representing for DJ Jamaican English. Kick it.
Them style murder. Steve Talou. Let's go, listen. Massive.
I've been going round in circles. Know what the DJ they can find. English, you're blowing their mind.
One no sound never there. The flick of my wrist, it's Steve Tuller representing for DJ Jamaican English. Kick it.
Artists round the place, Bass Planet Massive, Steve Talou. We got Garfield Treasure, anyway, you there. We got King Tidal.
Been going round in circles. Know what the DJ they can find. English, you're blowing their mind. You have them going round in circles. Know what the DJ they can find. Jamaican English blowing their mind. Ever since they made an exit, told you they wanna quit. There's a spot in their lives, they just can't survive. They must admit they've made all these mistakes. You won't give them a blight, they won't get another try. You have them going round in circles.
Massive.
Know what the DJ they can find. Jamaican English blowing their mind. You have them going round in circles. No other sound they can find. Waterproof is blowing their
mind. No.
They were so gambling.
Steve Talou everywhere.
Treated you unfair. It seems they didn't care.
The big bad artists, listen up.
Now you're killing them. They can't get you. You have the handle. You run your crew. Oh, Jah. Kill them, DJ English. Kill them now. Show them what you can do. Have them going round in circles.
Yes, DJ Jamaican English. This is your girl Althea Hewitt. I don't know some day of help you kill the little lady sound over this. DJ English ready from the get-go. That's only over this a good night. You never do nothing over that. Yes, DJ Jamaican English. This is your girl Althea Hewitt. I don't know some day of help you kill the little lady sound over this. a good night. We never do nothing overnight. See, don't be got the skill of sound. Why? The people chant and a shout him at the bass. DJ Butter from top to the ground, yeah. Can't do nothing about that. See the gate there, where you come from. Nicely jump on and take the sound. Jamaican English are the real one. Yeah. So living up my music, I'll be waiting up all night long.
Massive if you tune in, tap in.
Anybody who's ever loved you know just wanna feel it. Too hard to fake it. Nothing can
Ality Hewitt, she's absolutely bad. Bad.
Jamaican English is it.
What am I say?
Now this is real talk. Watch the people that must stay. No matter what's good or bad, right or wrong, all that day. Yeah. I know you're down on your luck and under pressure. This ain't for you. You don't know deep in your heart, deep down you know that it's true. So everybody put your hands up for Jamaican English. Now put your hands up, make it done this. Now put your hands up, hey, now put your hands up.
And the breeze is warm. Me I tell us how why tonight you're gonna get con. Waterproof sound hot, and the breeze is warm.
Let's go.
Tell us how why tonight you're gonna get con.
Key man himself.
And the beach is warm.
Pam.
The English, I got killer song wine and the dance.
Give it to them.
I hope you can be peaceful during the summertime. But when it comes to dub, a song boy dead tonight. Matter the circumstance, let's just take a
I'll type brush, Mr. Ronald.
say, kill a song boy tonight.
Right now, Instagram.
Your sound, waterproof sound hot, and the breeze is warm. Me I tell us how why tonight you're gonna get con. Waterproof sound hot, and the beach is warm. Me say English, I got killer sound wine and the dance.
Key man.
We can be peaceful during the summertime. But when it comes to dub, a song boy dead tonight. No matter the circumstance, let's just take a stand. Like Waterproof said, kill a song boy tonight. Listen, your sound could do better. Waterproof sound and the champion sound. Waterproof sound hot.
Hey!
And the breeze is warm.
I tell Lady Debbie.
Me I tell you so why tonight you're gonna get caught.
Garfield Revelation Treasure. Big up Mr. Brush Ronald.
And the beach is warm.
Big up all the Lok-i crew.
Me say English, I got killer sound wine at the land.
This is Key man.
Me say English, I got killer sound wine at the dance. Waterproof sound, I got killer sound wine at the dance. Sis,
They come with 007.
Mr. Waterproof sound, I got killer sound wine tonight.
James Jamaican English 007 Bond.
Back up your arms. Me say English, I got killer sound wine tonight.
Waterproof sound, feel it, feel it, feel it. From the crown of my head to the sole of my feet. Music with feeling. Every morning I rise and I pray with some scriptures along the way. Waterproof sound to you I say, like their footsteps. Every day, inspiration they put to rhythms. Rhythm, give it. Waterproof sound, feel it, feel it, feel it. From the crown of my head.
Let's go Garfield Revelation Treasure.
Music with feeling. Every morning I rise and I pray with some scriptures along the way. Waterproof sound to you I say, like
Big dub.
steps. Every day, yeah. Inspiration they put to rhythms. Rhythm giving thanks for every.
Garfield Revelation Treasure, send it to the base planet.
Then to the king, this is a gift.
This is the planet.
An English chant.
Let's go.
This is reggae music. Waterproof sound, feel it, feel it, feel it. From the crown of of my feet. Mighty, mighty feeling. Music, Jamaican English, feel it from the crown of my head to the sole of my feet. Music with feeling, waterproof, resonates in my soul. Jamaican English keeps them in full control, yeah. Melodies of sweet, sweet sound. Waterproof is all around, yeah. Expressions from deep within, positive vibrations moving with the wind, yeah. Every day amongst the living to the king. Jamaican English chant and sing, yeah. Yeah, man. Jamaican English, you don't know, no, big up yourself in the pump.
Mad.
Big up yourself. Waterproof sound. The sound you can't dilute the sound, yeah, man. Biggest sound round town. Sure. Yo, Massive and Crew. Garfield Revelation Treasure from Kingston, Jamaica representing. I said that. Pam pam.
Jamaican English, find you. Find you.
We got about 10 minutes left. Right now for the ladies, them, what them there. This is Grabber.
Searching no more. English for love for sure. It's no secret. English in love. Since the day that I met you, girl, gotta let you know that you rock my world. I'm feeling you, feeling you, feeling you, girl. Love is real. I know it's hard to believe, but it's alright. Sometimes you say you like that thing English.
Mr. Grabber himself.
Thank God that you're his wife. Baby girl, you are number one, you know. You are run things like the world champion, you know. You're so blessed, you're so blessed, you're so blessed, yo. Love is real. I'll be in love at first sight. I know it's hard to believe, but it's alright. Sometimes you say you like the things that I don't like. But the English, thank God that you're his wife. When you're making love, you make him feel like brand new love. English need you, babe. I'm burning.
Mr. Grabber, Waterproof Sound, touch bass.
English burning, burning, burning with your love.
Mad, mad, mad.
English burning, burning, burning with your love.
Who goes? Waterproof. The big bad sound we are rock lal tabernacle and shake up our roof. Yeah? Jamaica English. I be a bad things them man they relinquish. Yes? Mad things. Mystic soul I represent. Come down with boy, make we show them how we can deal with the things proper. Hey. Yeah. Waterproof girls.
Let's go, Mystic Soul.
Sure. Waterproof knows when your body is calling. He knows you wanna take off and escape. He knows it when your body is on it. He see you creeping right behind.
Senator Jingle King.
Doorbell rings. She's standing there. She wearing only panties and our bright hair. She wear a smile and look around. Waterproof is getting ready, ready.
Let's go.
Down. She never was the type. She's nervous, but waterproof is on her mind. And I know what to do. Waterproof is the one she going to accustomed to. The waterproof knows when your body is calling. He knows you wanna take.
We only got 20 seconds left, and you know what? You know, Instagram has shut it off after 1 hour. 1 hour live, then they shut it off. You have to re-come back on.
She sipped the wine, so we take her there.
Peace and love, massive, and a bless upon your Saturday. Always look out for Waterproof Sound.
I'm touching her.